Does your vehicle have all the lights on and voltage at the battery, but it just won't start? Or maybe when you turn the key, it makes a weird sound? It might be your starter, and I'm gonna show you how to change it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I actually wasn't expecting on making this video, but it needs to be done. I found out that I need a starter on the Ranger, so let's get right into it. So first things first, this is not the starter for the Ranger, it's just a different starter, but there are electrical contacts on your starter. So what I recommend before working on anything that has wires or potential electricity, disconnect your vehicle's battery. Now, when disconnecting a battery, you generally want to disconnect the negative side. It doesn't really matter that much, but you're gonna get less sparks by doing this. Now that we got the battery disconnected, we're ready to go ahead and go underneath the vehicle and take the starter out. Now, I say underneath because in most cases, all the cases I've ever done, the starter is gonna be located underneath. I think there are some cases where you can actually reach the starter from inside the engine bay from up top, but in this case, I'm gonna be showing you where it is on this 86 Ranger, and it should be relatively the same for you guys. All right, guys, so from the looks of it, going underneath this truck, I'm gonna have to actually unbolt the starter before disconnecting the wires because the wires look like they're on top of the starter. But if you have a chance, disconnect the wires first. It's probably gonna make it easier. By the looks of this, I'm gonna have some messing around to do. I'm gonna have a loose starter, and while it's floating in the air, I have to disconnect the wires. Now, before I take it out, I wanna show you that I got my wrench, or I got my ratchet up in here with an extension. What I'm trying to show you is it's not easy always to get your tool where you need to be, but that's where I'm at right now. I did end up cracking both the bolts loose, so I'm just gonna remove that, and then we're gonna have to deal with the wire right after that. Something tells me that it was meant to be taken out this way because there's a lot of wire on that starter, enough for it to rest on the floor there. But anyways, we're gonna remove that wire now. I'll show you, it's just a really old nut here. I'm gonna have to probably spray that and give it some time, but I think we can get that off. But yeah, we're almost done. All right, guys, so we got the starter out, and if you've guessed it by now, to put the new one in is the exact reverse of what we just went through. I don't have the new one yet. I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow, but you guys get the idea. It's the same thing. For my case, it would be to hook up the wire again and then put it back in place and then bolt it up, and it's just that simple. So hopefully, guys, this helped a little bit, or maybe it just made you realize how easy it is to work on your own car. Especially to do a starter like this. Starters are generally very easy. But yeah, hope this helped. If you liked the video, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will be doing some rear-wheel drive V8 Prelude stuff very soon, I promise. We'll see you next time.